Example 3. We want to answer the following questions based on the diagram given below. Your first question, find x so that P is parallel to Q. Then find y so that R is parallel to S. And finally, determine can R be parallel to S and P be parallel to Q at the same time. Explain your reasoning. Try these on your own first and then resume the video when you're ready to check your solution. Alright, first things first, we want to find x so that P is parallel to Q. So P and Q are our parallel lines, and we're focused on x, which means we'll look at transversal R. This means angle 2x plus 2 and x plus 56 are corresponding angles, and their measures must be equal. We get 2x plus 2 equals x plus 56. Subtract x from both sides, we get x plus 2 equals 56. We can subtract 2 from both sides, x equals 54. Okay. Now we want to find y so that R is parallel to S. We'll use R and S as our parallel lines. And that means we will use Q as our transversal because we're looking at this angle here and this angle here. Okay, y plus 7 and 3y minus 17. They're not corresponding. The corresponding angle would be here. So they're not congruent. They are in fact same side exterior angles, which makes them supplementary. Y plus 7, and the reason for that is because 3y minus 17 must be congruent to its corresponding angle. And here we see now a linear pair. Anyway, we get y plus 7 plus 3y minus 17 equals 180. So y plus 7 plus 3y minus 17 equals 180. We can add like terms. We get 4y minus 10 equals 180. 4y equals 190. So y is 190 divided by 4, which is 47.5. Last question, can R be parallel to S and P be parallel to Q at the same time? If that's the case, then x has to be 54 and y has to be 47.5. But let's see what happens if that's the case. We'll plug in x for x plus 56. So we get 54 plus 56, which is 110 degrees. Now let's plug in y for y plus 7. Y plus 7 is 47.5 plus 7, which is 54.5 degrees. Notice though, this is a linear pair. These two angles together should add to 180. But right now, these add to 164.5. Thus, no. We cannot have R parallel to S and P parallel to Q at the same time. It doesn't work.